In this video, we're going to show you to install ignition coils on your Volvo XC60 located on your engine. With the hood open, go ahead and locate the engine cover. You're going to go ahead and with two hands, grab each side and gently wiggle upward. You're going to dislodge the 4 rubber grommets securing this. Remove that cover and set it aside. With the engine cover off, you can go ahead and locate your ignition coils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In order to remove these here, we're going to start by disconnecting the electrical connector. You're going to pinch on the little spring clip here, pinch and pull. On the opposite end, you can find an 8mm bolt. We're going to use our socket and ratchet. Go ahead, loosen. Spin that out. Remove that, set it aside. Don't lose it, we'll be reusing that later. Go ahead and grab your ignition coil, gently twist and lift up, and there you go. Go ahead and grab your ignition coil, and we put a thin coat of some silicone paste on the rubber boot. And we put just a little dab, just a little bit on the inside there as well. Go ahead and drop that down inside. Push it down onto the spark plug. And go ahead and get that bolt started. And in most cases, you can just spin that down almost all the way by hand. Grab your ratchet. And we just want to snug this down gently. Once it bottoms out, just a tiny bit. Go ahead and grab the electrical connector, line that up, and push it on. Now you're going to repeat this process for the other 5 cylinders. And then when we install the engine cover, there's going to be 4 points of contact here, 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 and here. Line up your oil fill, and once that's lined up, it pretty much lines up itself, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.